This pupil program is designed to be used by teachers who have studied the technique in the primary numeracy series on fractions. You should refer to the website for support before using this with your class.
This is my resources table. This is where I keep whole cups. This is where I keep half cups. This is where I keep quarter cups. This is an important table. It's the maths table. This is me. Hello.
Diana, I want some help to get some paper cups onto the maths table. I'll tell you what to do. You do it with the cups. Start by putting 3 cups on the maths table. Add 1 cup, add 2 cups, look at the maths table and count the cups. How much is on the maths table?
6.
Bruno's going to help us. I'll write down here what I want you to do. You act it out with the cups. Two, add a half, add 1, take away a half, equals. Bruno, how much is there on the maths table?
3 whole cups.
Let's try one more. A quarter, add 3, take away a quarter, add 1, equals. How many are there, Bruno?
4 whole cups. Hello.
Hello. Can I write you a maths story?
Yes, okay.
I'll write it down here. This is what I want you to do. You act it with the cups. 2, add 1.5. Add 1/4. Take away 2. Add 1.5. Equals. Gemma is gluing the parts of the cups together to see how many she has.
3.25.
Now, Gemma, will you invent a real story and act it?
Yes, I've already thought of one.
Wow, shall we join in with Gemma? Gemma will act her real story while you try to write the maths story. Let's take another look. This is the story that Gemma did. Check it against your own. Is that what you wrote down? Hope so. Were you right? Hi, Luca. Can you help me with the real story?
Yes, I can do a real story.
Cool. Start by putting 1.5 cups on the maths table. Do the same thing lots of times. Luca loves those cups. Do it 3 times altogether. Luca's kiss action reminds him that he's multiplying. It's different from adding. Think of your own action like a thumbs up or a big smile. How much is on the maths table?
4.5 cups.
Shall we do it again? But this time, I'll show you the maths story.
Four and a half cups. Hello?
I will write the maths story. Can you act the real story?
I'm ready.
How much is there on the maths table?
3 1/4 cups.
Oh no, the cups have gone. But I've got some fraction cards. Can you act the story with cards?
Yes, I can do the cards.
Equals.
3 1/4.
Hello, if I write a math story, can you act the real story, this time using cards?
Yes, I can act out the real story. I loved that number 1 1/4 3 times.
Because the time sign looks like a kiss with love, Gail pretends to kiss the cups that were loved. She's acting loving the cups. It reminds her to do the same thing lots of times. How much have you got on the maths table?
3 3/4.
Someone's taken the cups and the cards off the resources table. I wonder if Jay can still act the real story. He'll have to imagine the cups. Jay, I will still write the math story. Can you act the real story using pretend, imaginary cups?
Half times 3. That's twice I've been now. One more time. Add 2 equals 3 1/2.
Well done, Jay.